Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the CoinMarketCap application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CoinMarketCap application, and once you open it up, whether you are logged in or not, you will still be shown the watch list page with the latest prices on all of the available crypto. Now from this page, tap on the account icon at the top right corner, and if you haven't been logged out, you will be able to see your login information at the very top. Now from this page, go ahead and tap on the logout button at the very bottom, and now you will be immediately logged out from your account. However, your login information might still be saved. So in order to prevent this, you can long press on the CoinMarketCap application and then tap on the info button. Now from the application info page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first to stop the application. Now after you stop the app, scroll down and tap on storage, and from the storage menu you can tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then the delete button to clear all of the saved user data. After this point, when you open the CoinMarketCap application, you will be asked to sign up or create a new account to start using it once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the CoinMarketCap application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.